Hi, Matthias. Hi, Laura. How's it going?
Good.
Good. Oh, so thank you for giving us the opportunity to feature Seyahan. Before we start, can you give us a little bit of background about yourself? So I can see the beautiful jewelry, which we'll get into in a little bit. But how did you guys start this company? And what's your story?
Well, Matthias actually started the company.
Okay.
That was in 2010.
Okay.
So he was a partner in a small store, and then the store was a jewelry shop.
Yep.
And then they needed a new shop girl, and they hired me.
Oh, okay. That's what happened. Okay. So Matthias, I read a little on the website, but you're an avid traveler. You love traveling around the world.
Right. Actually, Seyahan means traveler in Ottoman Turkish.
Oh,
so I chose it because of
your identity.
my passion for traveling, and it started all with me traveling through Turkey and seeing all these amazing artisans.
Yeah.
You can also see in the video here.
Right.
They work in all over Turkey. So we started just working with these artisans and selling their jewelry in the store in Istanbul. And we had 3 stores in Turkey, and then we decided to come to America 2.5 years ago.
Okay.
So and this is basically a condensed version of the artisanry that you find in jewelry in Turkey. It's all handmade silver jewelry from all parts of Turkey.
So tell us a little bit about how you discovered jewelry in Turkey. And you told me you work with a lot of artisans in Turkey, and I can see how beautiful it is. But what's so unique about all this jewelry from Turkey? And how did it catch your eye? I would love to hear about that.
I mean, there are just some amazing techniques. Like this, for example, is pure silver wrapped around silk and then hand knitted. And we tweak the things. I mean, you can maybe extend a little bit more. This is her design, for example, but the technique is
so Laura designs too.
Partially, yes.
Oh, amazing. Okay.
Some parts.
So I gradually I became very, very interested in the product because I've always been interested in fashion, style, and it became a goal of mine to make these products relevant to contemporary fashion.
Yes.
Because a lot of these techniques, most of them are traditional techniques, and the artisans that we were working with, they've been making the same stuff for generations.
For
literally like the
years.
same motifs.
For sure.
And so it became my mission to tweak things here and there, and the tweaking developed into design. So I've spent a lot of time curating and creating collections that any woman would find interesting.
I gotta say, a lot of people are walking by and saying, this is gorgeous. So there's a lot of interest. So, let's get into the products a little bit. Maybe we can start from the left, but can you maybe give us an overview and showcase some of the products right here? Laura, it'd be useful, I think, if you can just, I think Matthias probably doesn't use the products himself.
Okay.
So.
Well. This is a special technique. It's all
it close up a little bit. That's a bracelet, I assume?
Pure silver. So you can see pure silver is very flexible.
Yeah.
So it just sits very well on the wrist. It's very flattering.
Yep.
That's just made with a pair of tweezers.
Yeah. Oh, really?
Yeah. And then this is also pure silver as well. As you can see, they mix it with silver that's been treated with sulfur. It's very flattering. So, fit is very important to us. We always have, different sizes and different pieces.
Yeah, that is gorgeous.
Here is
these are all handmade. Everything is handmade in Turkey. Gotcha.
So these are traditional techniques. This is my own design. This is our wraparound bracelet.
Oh, okay.
You can see it.
Yeah. Oh, so you wear it. You do use it as well.
A lot of the pieces are unisex.
Yeah. Oh, that's gorgeous.
See, I combine actually one of these with it.
I love how fluid and light it looks like. It's super easy to wear, very casual. Yeah, that's right.
So then we have some of these pieces from Istanbul. This comes from an old family-owned workshop in Istanbul. They just do remarkable gold plating. Really beautiful designs. This is a bit of the traditional techniques again, but I updated it with the gold-plated clasp, for example. And then we just have some pieces that are like more organic, like this.
And I love how the theme and the generic kind of geometric shape, as well as the overall design, is so different for each one of these pieces. You know? They're leaves, which is like more nature. They're like gemstones, more geometric. So you can find whatever you want. I mean, a lot of people have different styles, but I just love the variety.
I really like organic things, like I mean, pearls that have an organic origin. I just think it's very flattering.
So she's wearing the pearls right now. Yeah, so that is also Seyahan Jewelry right there. So that feels very natural, very classic as well. And some of these are beautiful, by the way.
Yeah, this is wrapped silver on silk and then hand braided.
Oh, hand braided.
Totally flexible, very light. It's also very important for us that we have light earrings.
Yes, of course. You don't want your ears dragging all the way down.
And here the dark is just for contrast. It's also the same as silver. It's just treated with sulfur in order to...
Wow, I gotta say, just the craftsmanship and the quality of the earrings is astounding.
Yeah, and the rings also here.
Yeah, the rings are also...
We sell them a lot also as alternative wedding rings.
That's right. Oh, alternative wedding rings,
For your alternative wedding.
Yes. There's always rings for alternative weddings. All right, so let's check out these. These are gold, I assume?
Some more filigree work, which is like gold-plated.
Wow.
All of the gold here is gold-plated.
Yep.
We do have some gold pieces as well, but here not on the artisan flea market.
Yep.
Yeah, this is really nice. A lot of them, I mean, this again is like very light for the size, and it hangs very well.
Yeah.
They don't look as nice on the table as they look on.
No, they look nice, and this was the one that you're wearing. Yeah, the bracelet that we just saw. I gotta say, this is just gorgeous. Just look at the detail as well as the color there. So, all right, and let's look at some of the necklaces as well, because I think they deserve a little bit of a look as well. I gotta say, the color and the details and just the overall quality looks amazing. Look at that. So as we scroll through the necklaces, Matthias, Laura, where can our viewers come find your products? If you can give us a little bit of an overview about, where can people go if they want to buy all this gorgeous stuff?
We are always on Seyahan.com, so you can always come to our webshop. You can find us in Charleston most of the time.
Yep.
Which is 57 Broad Street.
57 Broad Street.
In Charleston, South Carolina. And then we're about 2 to 3 months a year. We're in Chelsea Market.
Chelsea Market.
Okay. And you can just follow us on Instagram at Seyahan, and then you can just see when we are coming for artisan fees again, or if we ever have a pop-up somewhere else.
And for our viewers, they're right by the entrance of Artisan Please. So if you guys want to check them out this week, they'll be here. They're super friendly. Matthias was very welcoming when I approached him and asked him if we could feature him on the platform. So I'm gonna do one last look, and then we'll be over. Okay?
All right.
Thank you. Yeah, and then I'm gonna show the video a little bit too. So look at, so that's the process of how they actually make the jewelry. Cool. All right, thanks guys, appreciate it. Thank you.
Yep.